issue. The metal is CH002B. Sucks. The handle is junk. It's just not that good of a knife. If you find one for sale for like $3, then be my guest and buy it. That's about all it's worth. It's $3. See where the paint's already coming off? It's coating or whatever it is. It's junk. Everything about this knife is wearing off. Even this is bubbling up right there. It makes me mad because I spend money on something that was supposed to be good and it ain't. It's junk. The clip on it is about the only thing on it that is worth the money. And the paint's coming off it too. I've only had this knife for 4 days. Putting your lanyard in there is about it. It's about the only good thing about it, I guess. I guess one goes in the junk box. But if you want to get one, you're a Smith & Wesson freak, then you get one. That's not in a mean way, just saying. It's junk. The only thing they build right is guns, apparently. But that was just my review on it. I have another video I'll be posting more now that I got everything situated to do it. Well, thanks guys. Subscribe.